Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, we are diving deep into the wild, weird, and sometimes wonderful world of internet cleaning hacks. Are these tricks actually genius or just pure madness? Let's find out. Wait, did she just put mouthwash on a sanitary pad to clean the washing machine? Okay, consider my mind officially blown right out of the gate. Alright, look at this pet hair situation. We've all been there. But hold up, is she giving her broom a haircut? With clippers? And now she's sticking sponges to it? Honestly, it looks completely crazy, but if it actually grabs all that fuzz off the couch, I might have to respect the DIY hustle. Okay, pause. This is next level. Wrapping the couch cushion in a giant plastic bag and using a vacuum to shrink wrap it? The satisfaction level here is off the charts. It's like watching a giant marshmallow deflate. 10 out of 10 for creativity. Making a fresh lime mojito? Nope, just casually pouring it straight into the toilet bowl. I mean, I guess citrus cuts through grime, but your bathroom is about to smell like a tropical beach bar. Now this is real science. Hot water, baking soda, and aluminum foil to polish that old candlestick. You can literally see the tarnish melt away. This isn't just a hack. This is chemistry class, and I am here for it. Wait, stop the video. Did we just crack a raw egg yolk onto a steel wool sponge, add salt and vinegar, and rub it all over a toaster? Are we cleaning the kitchen or making the worst breakfast ever? Someone explain the science behind this to me in the comments because I am lost. the classic vinegar bag trick for a crusty faucet. It's an oldie but a goodie. If you haven't tried this at home yet, you're missing out. Just tie it, leave it, and let the acid do the work. Cleaning a fan is literally the worst chore. Spraying it down, wrapping it in a bag, and turning it on so it cleans itself? That is a 200 IQ lazy genius move. My allergies are already thanking me. If you ever struggle to get the lint out of those tiny crevices in your dryer, just use an empty toilet paper roll on your vacuum. It squishes perfectly into the gap. That is brilliant. Okay, cutting up a perfectly good pink swimming cap to catch hair in the shower drain? It works, but maybe just buy a $2 drain catcher from the store? Just a thought. And there you have it, a roller coaster of DIY cleaning. From absolute genius to please don't put egg yolks on your appliances. Which of these hacks would you actually try in your house? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.